Can't stop eating it. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making ice cream. Unchurned ice cream, so it's a lot simpler and you don't need to have an ice cream maker. A while back, my friend Dani from Black Cat Kitchen made an unchurned ice cream, and I thought, boy, that really looks good. So I decided to make it. So the base of our ice cream is going to be vanilla, but I'm adding in fresh strawberries from my garden and some mini chocolate chips. Yum! First, we're going to add 2.5 cups of whipping cream into a stand mixer with a whisk attachment. And I'm going to whisk this until soft peaks form. I'm gonna add half of this can of condensed milk. This is sweetened condensed milk. And I'm gonna continue to whisk this together. Now I wanna just try it and see what the sweetness level is. I think I just might add a little bit more. Nice consistency. Silly me. One thing I forgot to add was 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now here are the strawberries. Oh my gosh, this is hardly any at all. But you know, my strawberries, I only get a few at a time in my garden. Just kind of doing this on a whim here. So I'm gonna put this in. Give it a good stir. I'm also putting in, this is about, I'd say 3/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. Okay, I think we have enough of those. Now we're gonna take our delicious ice cream mixture and we're gonna pour it into a metal baking pan. And we're gonna smooth it out. Now we're gonna cover our ice cream with plastic wrap. And we're gonna put it in the freezer for 3 hours, minimum 3 hours, but you know what's gonna happen at 3 hours. I'm gonna be getting this out and eating it. All right, here we go. It's been 3 hours. Oh, look at that. Nice, and it's like a softer ice cream. And that's fine, because I love like soft serve. All right, let's give you guys a look here. So you have your little bit of the strawberry that I put in, but the chocolate chips. Now let's taste. Really creamy. And the texture is just perfect. If you like a softer ice cream, it's wonderful. This is dangerous. My mouth is happy. My tummy is happy. Thanks for joining me today, everybody. Can't stop eating it. Obviously perfect for the summer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you won't miss out on any videos. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.